Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei P40 Lite, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into recovery mode. So to get started, let's power off the device by holding a power key. And select power off. Now once the device shuts off, you then want to hold power key and volume up, both of those keys at the same time. And we're now in the recovery mode. So from here, you can just tap on each one of the options, and as you can see, restart will just boot you back into the recovery mode. Clear data will give you a couple additional options. So if I tap on it, you have factory reset and wipe cache partition. And you have update mode and save mode. So that's basically all you get here. And to leave, like I said, restart. Just tap on it, it automatically will leave. And you can see we're back in the Android. So that is how you would put your device in and out of the recovery mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.